Issues arising out of the alleged murder case of Loitam Richard at his hostel room in Bangalore have sparked a nationwide protest, sensing hate crime even though authorities investigating the case seem to cover up the evidence. Recent post-mortem report conducted by the Victoria Memorial College, which rules cardiac ailment as the cause of his death, has been strongly denied by the campaigners for delivering justice to Loitam Richard, terming it as inconsistent. Dr. Bishwajit Elangam, a campaigner for justice to Richard Loitam, said that racism is involved in the killing of the Manipuri student. In a press meet held today at Jupiter Yavgame Center at Pauna Bazaar, father of late Richard Loitam, Dr. Loitam Rajesh, said that each and every statement provided by the Acharya Institute of Architecture seems to have a motive of covering up the case. Talking to reporters, Dr. Loitam said there are enough evidences which show that Richard was murdered intentionally on the night of April 17 by some of his hostel mates. A written statement of the hostel warden at which late Loitam was staying had also said that he saw Richard quarrelling with his friend Vishal and Syed Afzal Ali on that night. The warden also said in his written statement that he saw the two guys punching on Richard's face with intention of killing him, and he succumbed to his injuries on the night of April 17. Dr. Loitam said after his son was found lying on his bed, a friend had informed the warden, who had called the hostel doctor. After examination, the hostel doctor declared him dead. However, they again tried to take him to a hospital. At the hospital, the doctor refused to admit him, saying that he was already brought dead. Dr. Rajesh further said he and his family had not received any sort of condolence message from his son's college. Dr. Rajesh further said he would like the Chief Minister of Manipur to pursue the Prime Minister for handing over the case to the CBI.
The only fellow who can direct and say that the case must be handed over to the CBI. Aduna hoina pamasi government side tagi kanna taksilaga Prime Minister na case CBI de sinau haina.
Richard Loitam's father still waits for justice, wants to hand over the case to the CBI. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for joining us.